Guys, today we're going to be playing, hang on, my camera's just messed up. Today we're going to be playing Motorcycle Race, which I think is like Obby, but you're on a bike, but you're on a motorcycle. So, this doesn't look like it's going to be bad. That's blurry there, like that part was blurry for you, only because, hang on. Yeah, only because sometimes that happens. Alright. Oh god, there's a bunch that I've missed out on this game, whatever it is. Oh, I'm on this. This is stupid. What is this? This looks like you just got a piece of cardboard and attached wheels and then attached a torch to it and then just painted it blue. Because, like, he's literally just holding a torch. How is that steering it? I'm just going to read it, guys, now. Hello, I'm going to show you, what does that say? Little bit of the game today. First of all, you have to go to the place I marked and start the race. Alright. Look how slow. Actually, how am I doing this many wheelies? I'm insane. Oh, guys, my bike is spinning out of control. Wee! 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 You spin me round. No, hang on. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a wrecking baby, right round, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a wrecking baby. Yeet! Am I supposed to be getting this far, or is like normal or something? Because I've only just started. Well, have I? Have I got like any pets that the game like gives you for free or something? Whoa, I'm going quick. Banana. What is this? There's a guy called Nardo and he looks insane. Like, Nardo! Is that like Naruto, but just copyrighted? Why would I want to get that when I could get nothing else? Why would I want to get that when I can get nothing else? One egg. I got a cat. Yippee. Alright, let's hatch another one. Let's see. Where am I going away from it? Guys, if you saw my hair like last time, I got a haircut, so it would like be different now. I got a couple of pets. Let's just leave this game to do its thing. While I just get my pets out. My haircut is like short back and sides, but if you even know what that means, I bet you don't. I don't want to be rude by saying you don't, but I just don't think you know what a short back and side is. How am I going this quick? I'm destroying everyone. I'm leaving them in the dust. Woo! Boo 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 boo. Oh god, I gotta go quicker. Hang on. Come on, get 1,000 by the time ends. Claim my gift. 100 free wins. I don't really need that. Like, I got so many wins. Free pack. Play for 30 minutes. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna wait 30 minutes. I like to like just go AFK on games like these. And then just wait until like something magical happens. See how many wins I got. 179,000. 1,890 thousand, I'm pretty sure. I didn't know, I probably read that wrong. What's Nardo? How do you get Nardo? Anime pet. Cost Robux. I'm a zebra. Ooh, I can get this egg. 1. Let's see what it is. Fox. Right, let's see what this can do. Why isn't this working? Oh. Now it is. Gotta quit. Wait, hang on, can I? Yeah, I can. Yeah, guys, I can! Let's go. Time to click. Wait, hang on, why can't I click? Oh, it's X! Alright, let's see how quick I can get. I got it itch the X button. That's what like I find that's very quick. I like clicking it. Let's see how quick I can get. Alright, not bad, not bad. Getting into the 2000s. I think I'm just going to make it into 2000. Oh, made it over 2000. 2050 easy. 3000. I'm getting over 3000. I'm at 3000 at this point. That's insane. There's this little meter at the bottom that I can see really well, but you can't. So, I'm destroying everyone. This girl used to be really quick compared to me, but she doesn't stand a chance. There's a kid just zooming past, and I don't stand a chance against him. Hang on, I'm checking the leaderboard. It says this FGTV guy, and I don't know if he's real, because he looks real, right? But he's not. Hang on. Yeah, I can't go down. That's not fair. Oh, this is taking forever. My what? Why can't I go back? I want to go back, not forward. Alright, just go forward then. Just to save you from seizures, I might just, like, look away. Hang on, can I even look away? No. Ow, what? Ow, I swear my neck just broke. Ronaldo, suey. Alright, guys, see what I get. Legendary lion, hang on. Oh, that's like the best. A black cat. Why have I got bad luck? Get it? Because it's a black cat and black cats give you bad luck. Hey, not that funny. In all honesty, it's quite embarrassing. No! I'm going to put a pipe bomb in my car. Yay! Let's all have some fun with a pipe bomb in our car. Ba-da-ba-da. Pipe bomb! There's a pipe bomb in our car. Pipe bomb! There's a pipe bomb in my car. Whoa, I'm going quick. Maybe if I just stay still and I just, like, do whatever I want. But I got a gift, or was it? That, nice. What did that just do, what I got? I don't know, it's something though. Once I get to like 12 minutes, I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end the video. But yeah. Ooh. I'm running away from the line. It's just like piggybacking. Hang on. Can't like my pets just get on the vehicle? Like there's enough room for one to be on the front tire. There's enough room for one to be on the back. And then maybe one like next to my feet. Yeah, maybe. So why are you running? Yeah, why are they running? Like, get your own vehicle. It's not too complicated. Like, just get another vehicle. This one, I bet this one was like £50 off of Instagram Marketplace or Facebook, whatever the marketplace it is now. Did I just get... Hang on. Now you're ready to rebirth, and after that gain more speed. I do not want to rebirth. I don't want to rebirth. No, thank you. Nardo, the white whale. Alright, guys. I'm going to end the video here. I know it hasn't been 12 minutes, but, like, still. I'm just going to end it. Alright, guys. Bye. I'll make another video. Don't know. Maybe tomorrow or something. Don't know. See you guys later. And peace out.